You are here because you want to learn how to make cool t-shirts, right? If yes, then you are in the right place. T-shirt industry is a multi-billion dollar industry, and in online it is the fastest growing part of this industry. You can easily sell your design t-shirt on different platforms like Merch by Amazon, Teespring, Tmill, Redbubble, and some other print-on-demand t-shirt design companies. You will be able to make money by selling your t-shirts. The key to any t-shirt business is the designs. Welcome to the best-selling t-shirt design masterclass with Adobe Photoshop. In this course, I teach you how to design awesome hot-selling t-shirts. I am Masterclass Batista. I am the best-seller t-shirt designer on Merch by Amazon and Redbubble, and working on this industry for past 3 years and still now. And I am the instructor of this course. I already published different type of video editing and design related course, and thousands of students put 5-star reviews. In this course, I show you every steps to create amazing t-shirts. I go from the very basic of Photoshop to those who have never even started this program before, and then continuously learn all the techniques until you become an expert in creating amazing t-shirt design. I take best-selling t-shirts and recreate them step by step for you. This way you can follow the steps along with the videos in a very easy to understand manner. All the techniques that you learn here can be applied to create any t-shirt design. In the shortcut techniques section of this course, I share some cool tricks, and using these techniques you will able to create awesome t-shirts in a very short time. Also, I show you 3 different websites where you get unlimited royalty-free icons to use your infographic or any other projects you have. You also have access to my list of 3 websites where you get thousands of royalty-free professional looking images, and also you will able to download them with no cost that you can use your infographics or website or any other projects. Not only that, I also share where you get unlimited amazing free fonts to use on your t-shirt. There is 30 days money back guarantee on this course, and also you will get a certificate of completion when you finish this one. So there is no risk to enroll this course right now. So what are you waiting for? Take this course now and start learning t-shirt designing with Adobe Photoshop. See you inside.